Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos, plenty of programs using Python and many more, using machine learning, using web development, using data science, then using Excel connectivity and these things, then Streamlit, then machine learning and natural language processing and many more. But today's video we are going to see something different, that is Python connectivity to DuckDB database. So before proceeding further, we will see what is DuckDB database in brief. DuckDB Python database applications are integrated in almost every software project, be it a desktop application or cloud-based deployment. Database developer help the front-end UI interact with data for multiple operations like inserting, deleting and updating records on demand for effectively deploying software applications. NoSQL databases are generally used for unstructured data, including social media platform on which different formats of data are streamed as huge speed. Data on social media includes images, videos, multimedia application and games. It is a powerful and high performance in-process database. DuckDB DuckDB is a powerful and high performance in-process database for fast analytical processing. It is useful for data science and engineering based application and provide a full featured database without deployment of separate dedicated database server, just like SQLite. It can interface with multiple programming languages and script including SQL, Python and Node.js. If possible, we will go through DuckDB with Node.js. So now let us go through the program. Loading the drivers needed for program, then create a sample pandas data frame, then connection, establish a in-memory DuckDB connection database, then con.register my table, in the sense register a pandas data frame as duck table, then result, execute the query and create a bar chart. This is all about bar chart. Now I will execute the program. Yes, bar chart is displayed, very nice, and also the query output is also displayed. So I successfully done with DuckDB database, new concept using Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please comment me on which topic you want videos. Maybe Python, maybe machine learning, maybe Node.js, maybe React.js. I am interested in React.js with different style, like and so please so for my upcoming videos, please watch my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.